Welcome to Netiquette Next. Hello viewers, welcome back. Today I'm going to introduce the interface and tools and functionalities of MS Office and Word to you guys, and I will be showing you how to use MS Word properly. Firstly, I'm going to show you how to open it. If you have installed in your PC or laptop, you can go to Start. It appeared here. From this point you can click it and it's gonna open like this. Now I'm gonna click on the blank document to show you the interface, the user interface of the MS Word to you guys. These are here the control buttons. Actually, it is a popular word processing program used mainly for creating documents such as brochures, letters, learning activities, quizzes, tests, and student homework assignments. This is the user interface of MS Word, and these are control buttons. From this point we can close the MS Word. From this point we can restore down like this, and from this point we can minimize it like this. I'm gonna click on it and it appear here. Like from these points we can auto hide ribbons, show tabs and commands. All these are the tabs, and here are these tabs ribbons, and we can hide them. We can show tabs only. These are the tabs: file, home, insert, design, layout, reference, mailing, review, view. These are tabs, and we can ask them to show tabs and commands, and these are the commands, the ribbons. Here we have the title bar. We can name our document whatever, just like this. This is appearing like document 1. I can rename it and it's gonna appear here like whomever I name it, it's gonna appear here. Here we have the customize quick access toolbar, new, open, save, email, quick print, and all the other things are gonna come in the customize quick access toolbar. From this point we can create the new document also. Now it is document 2. From this point we can repeat new blank document. It is actually the redo. This is undo and this is redo button. From this point we can save our file. Now I am going to file, and this is the information about our document, that we can protect document, inspect, manage our document, and these are the properties of the document. From this point we can have a new one. From this point we can open our previous documents we have been editing. From this point we can save our document as it is into the OneDrive, personal drive, to the PC. We can also add a place, and we can go to browse and we can save it wherever we want it. If we are gonna save as, we are gonna click on save as. We can change the name of the document. We can also put a password upon it to save it, to show nobody else's but only you. From this point we can print how much copies we want, with which printer we want, and we can set its settings according to our own needs. From this point we can share it with people via email, online present, and post to blogs and whatever you want. From this point we can export it. We can convert it to PDF and change its type also. From this point we can close it. Here we have the account information. From this point we can have a lot of other options. These are the general options. Now welcome back to the user interface. Here we have a lot of other tablets and their ribbons. We can use them to our likings and to make our work easier in the MS Word. Here we have the file. We have been discussing the file. Now it's home. From this point we can cut our written text. For example, I am writing here the social environment. I have right here the social environment. I can cut it, I can copy it and paste it and cut special format painter if I want. Here we have the clipboard. On the next ribbon we have font. In font we can have font design, whichever design we want. For example, I'm choosing Arial Black, so it's gonna appear like this. I'm choosing the black one. From this point we can increase or decrease. We can choose the size of the font. Here it appeared. Now it's back to normal. From this point we can also increase and decrease. These are the signs. From them we can increase or decrease the sizes. We can also write here like this, and this. It happened. I'm gonna undo it. From this point we can bold our text. From this point we can make it italic. From this point we can underline the text. From this point, if I'm gonna choose it and I'm gonna click on it, it's gonna look like this. From this point I'm gonna undo it because it was just to show you. It's gonna look like this. Actually this is the subscript and this is the superscript. From this point we can change our text effect and typography. From this point we can color them. We can highlight our text. From this point we can change the color of our font. From this point we can erase or clear our format. From this point we can change the sentence case to lower, upper, capitalize and toggle case. These are the bullets. We can use any of the bullets. We can change the list of the levels and define new bullets if we want, like this. These are the new bullets appearing here. From this point we can numeric them, we can number them. From this point also we can multi-level list. Here we have multi-level list like this. These are the multi-level lists. Here we have the alignment case, the 4 cases of alignment. Here the left alignment, the center and the right. Here we have the decrease indent and the increase indent. Here we have the line and paragraph spacing. Here we have the shading. Here we have the borders. We can bottom border, top border, left border, right border, no border, all border, outside border, inside, and a lot much more appearing here. We can use them to our likings, however we want to use them. Sort, if I have written here unrecognized and unparallelized text from J to Z, from A to Z, or from uppercase to lowercase, it's gonna organize it into A to Z level. And here we have show and hide. From this point we can recognize how much text is showing off and is being hide. And all these are, we have headings and fonts and normal writing and heading 1, 2 and title, subtitles, subheadings, each and everything. From this point we can find any word, and from this point we can write it and can replace it. From this point we can select them. That was for now. In the next series of the MS Word, I will be telling you about all of the other tablets and their ribbons and their functionalities, and I will be doing the tutorial so you can edit your documents however you want. Thanks for now. I will be back soon with another amazing video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.